Opening and closing a gate should feel simple, not like an extra chore at the start or end of the day. A smooth setup can save time, add convenience, and make daily routines feel easier. In this video, I'm talking about the best automatic gate openers and what makes each option stand out. These options come in different price ranges, and each one fits a different kind of use case. One may work better for a short driveway, another for a wider or heavier gate. Watching the full video helps you see which one lines up best with what you are looking for. Links to all the products are waiting in the description. If you enjoy this kind of content, tap like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you stay updated. If you have questions, the comment section is right there. Now let's move into the reviews and break each one down. Number 5. Cozy 3,300 pounds automatic sliding gate opener. Number 5 is a good pick for people dealing with heavier sliding gates who still want to keep spending reasonable. This one feels aimed at long driveways and wide openings where lighter systems may fall short. The motor here is rated at 550 watts and is built with copper inside, which helps with efficiency and long life. It is rated for gates up to 3,300 pounds and up to 40 feet long. Movement speed lands around 42 feet per minute, so it opens at a steady pace without feeling rushed. The chain drive setup uses quality roller chains, and noise stays low enough to blend into the background. The housing uses steel parts paired with an ABS cover that helps release heat. The unit is weather-ready for outdoor installs, and the steel sprocket resists rust over time. It comes with 2 remotes, and the system can pair with up to 25 total. The rolling code setup adds a nice layer of protection against signal copying. Safety features include infrared sensors that detect obstacles and trigger a reversal. There is an auto close option, plus a manual release for outages. Installation usually goes smoothly, though some setups may need welding or wiring help. Instructions could feel brief for beginners. Several versions are available, including smart, solar, and higher weight options. Number 4. Topen's A5S Solar Gate Opener. Number 4 is a strong choice for swing gates where running wires is not the best option. This one leans into solar support, which makes it appealing for rural spots or long driveways. This system is built for single swing gates up to 550 pounds or up to 16 feet long. The motor runs on 24 volts and keeps noise low, sitting around 50 decibels, so it stays calm during open and close cycles. Opening time lands near 15 seconds in good conditions, which feels smooth without dragging things out. The arm setup supports both pull to open and push to open installs, giving some freedom during setup. 2 solar panels come in the box, paired with a controller and a weather-ready control unit. Batteries are needed to complete the setup, so that adds a bit to planning. The kit includes 2 remotes with a range close to 65 feet, and the system can grow far beyond that with added receivers. Safety features include stop and reverse sensing, soft start and stop, plus auto close if you want that behavior. Manual release keys are included for backup access. The look stays clean with a black and aluminum finish. Different size versions are offered for lighter or heavier gates. For windy areas, an added gate lock can help keep things steady. Number 3. Mighty Mule MM371W. Number 3 fits well for homes with lighter swing gates that open and close many times a day. This one comes from a brand with a long track record, and that shows in how the system is laid out. This option is rated for gates up to 16 feet long, or up to 550 pounds, which fits many chain link and wood gates. It moves quicker than older versions from the same lineup, so the gate does not feel slow during daily use. Noise stays fairly low, making it a comfortable pick for residential areas. The system runs on a 12-volt battery that is purchased separately, and it can pair with a solar panel for off-grid setups. A separate control box helps keep the main electronics away from moisture, which is helpful during rough weather. The included remote has a strong range, and older remotes from the same brand can be paired without trouble. Safety support includes warning beeps and automatic reversal if something blocks the gate. Smartphone control can be added later with an extra kit, which keeps the base setup simple. Installation is guided with a step-by-step 3D app that shows each stage clearly. Battery condition matters here, and setting the closed position may take some patience. This model comes in a single black finish and one size. Number 2. Topin's PW802. Number 2 steps things up for people with wider dual swing gates that need more muscle on both sides. This one feels aimed at larger entrances where balance and smooth movement matter. I like how this setup uses 2 arms working together, each rated for gates up to 18 feet long or up to 880 pounds per side. Movement stays calm and controlled, opening in about 15 seconds under good conditions. Noise sits close to 50 decibels, so it stays quiet enough for homes where sound matters. The opening angle can be adjusted based on how the brackets are mounted, which helps with tighter or wider layouts. This system supports several ways to stay running, including wall current, solar panels, battery backup, or a mix of all 3. That flexibility works well for people planning ahead for outages or off-grid installs. The control box is weather-ready with an IP44 rating, and manual release keys are included for backup access. 2 remotes come in the box with a range around 65 feet, and more can be added later, along with keypad or phone control accessories. Safety support includes obstacle sensing, auto close, and soft start and stop to reduce wear. Some feedback mentions limit switch issues over time, so setup and adjustment matter. A medium-duty version is available too, giving options for different gate sizes. Number 1. Ghost Control's TSS1 XP. Number 1 lands at the top for people who want a cleaner setup with fewer cords and a long reach from the remote. This one feels built for larger driveways where convenience and distance really matter. This system is rated for single swing gates up to 20 feet long or up to 900 pounds. That covers many decorative, tube, chain link, and wood gates, as long as most of the surface stays open. Movement stays smooth thanks to soft start and soft stop, and opening time sits around 25 seconds, which feels steady and controlled without being rushed. A 10-watt solar panel comes in the box, and extra solar capacity can be added later if needed. The system runs on a 12-volt battery that is picked up separately. One standout feature here is the remote range, which can reach up to 1,000 feet in open space. That kind of distance is far beyond what many other options offer. The remote signal uses encrypted coding, adding a stronger sense of security. Special modes like party mode and vacation mode adjust how the gate behaves without extra accessories. Open and close timing can be programmed to match daily routines. Installation stays DIY friendly with no welding or high voltage work, though posts must be straight and sturdy. Some feedback mentions early fine-tuning and mixed results with certain vehicle buttons. Multiple versions are available, including dual gate and non-solar setups. Choosing the right gate setup really comes down to how your space is laid out and how you want things to work day to day. Small details like gate size, location, and access style can make a big difference. If any option caught your attention, the links for everything are down in the description. If this video helped, tap like, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you stay in the loop. If questions come up, drop them in the comment section, and feel free to check out other videos here for more guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.